Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, vlogs, skincare, real people and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So y'all, I'm actually on my way to dinner, but I did want to get a couple videos recorded for y'all, while I have the time and the energy, girl. Okay, I know I normally come on camera in these videos full beat, but baby, it is 90 something degrees outside. Makeup, find somebody else to do it. So if these videos seemed a little rushed, my apologies, girl, because I'm trying, but I'm finna go eat, okay? So the weather actually inspired this video, so that's why I want to go ahead and do this, because it's so hot outside, y'all. It's 90 plus degrees. But do you ever have those kind of fragrances where you specifically reach for that fragrance when it's scorching hot outside, because it's just something about it that makes you feel a little more cooled down, cooled off, a little refreshed? That's what these give me. First, I'm gonna start with Tangerine Boy by Fleur. If you do not want to smell like a tangerine, don't buy this, girl, because this smells like a juicy, mouth-watering, little sour in the bag tangerine, but sweet too at the same time. Now it does have a little slight woodiness to it, in the background, but it's mostly a juicy, refreshing tangerine. Like, even when it's hot outside and you eat a nice cold tangerine and it's juicy and you got a little drip, girl, that's how I feel when I put this on. As you can see, I love it. I'm probably gonna finish it this summer, and I would absolutely repurchase this. Like, I would. It's just so clean and fresh, and yeah, when it's hot outside, you put this on and you be like, oh, I feel so much better. You know what I'm saying? I feel cooler. I feel just juicy and refreshed. Yes, honey. So Tangerine Boy, if you want to smell like a juicy, sweet tangerine. Now, it's not like super sweet. It's definitely like just sweet enough with a little tartness. But yeah, girl, Tangerine Boy is a summertime fave. Speaking of juicy and mouth-watering, girl, Nectarine Blossom and Honey by Jo Malone. Love her down. The nectarine is definitely giving like nice, sweet, juicy nectarine. Like, I love it here. It smells so good. But it's fresh, it's clean, it's juicy. Perfect for hot weather, girl. I love this down. And I have the body cream to it too. So I have no performance issues with this. Now, it's not on 10 hours plus now, but it ain't on for 2 hours neither. You know what I'm saying? So I know Jo Malone get a bad rap, but this is hands down one of my favorites. It's another one in my Sephora cart, and hopefully I pull the trigger on that one this summer. When I do, I'll let y'all know. But if you are looking for the perfect Jo Malone fragrance for summer, you want something fruity, light, airy, just really good for hot days, definitely pick this up, because honey, I done had me a good old sample of wood sage and sea salt, and I like it. But this right here, I would definitely prefer this. Sun Bleach by Unui Nomad. If you like a clean, fresh, almost kind of laundry-esque type of fragrance in the summer when it's hot, this is the one for you. Like, I love those type of fragrances. I don't know why people don't like to smell like clean laundry, because I do. Okay, I love a good clean laundry scent, but this isn't giving, this isn't giving like detergent clean. It's giving that fresh white linen smell that's been dried out in the sun. Okay, if you old school like me and you remember clothes getting dried out on the line, girl, okay, you know what I'm talking about. It's just something so fresh and clean about that, especially if they've been dry in the sun. And this has that perfect kind of like clean, fresh laundry solar touch to it. Like, it's just so good. Now, I have some other fragrances in my collection that are really definitely giving clean laundry, but this is not giving that. This is just giving that clean, fresh, laundry-esque type of scent, but definitely with that solar sun energy. And I just love this, and it just makes me feel like really cooled down, really fresh, really clean, because we can get a little muggy, a little sticky when you out there in that heat or whatever. So something like this just makes you feel real clean and fresh, and I love it. I don't know what it is about Another 13, but when I wear this, you cannot tell me that my skin is just not clean and tasty, and just, I love Another 13. It's so good. This is for my Ambroxan lovers, people that like Ambroxan. You like that molecular type of scent, and that whole wear that Ambroxan gives you, that longevity, that sillage. You might even go nose blind to this. I've worn it and smelled it all day long, and I've worn it and went nose blind to it. It's just do what it want to do, okay? But on the times that I did go nose blind to it, I got compliments. When I had it on and smelled it all day, I ain't get one. So you know what I'm saying? So I know people are still smelling this. This is clean, fresh, your skin, but better. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love this. It's just so clean and fresh. Oh my goodness, like how could you not like another 13? Like it's clean and fresh. Is it groundbreaking? Is it like, no, it's not groundbreaking, but it's clean, it's fresh, it's refreshing, even though it's not fruity or citrusy or anything like that, but it's still so refreshing when you wear this. You just feel like, you know, you clean, you know, you smell good, and can't nobody else tell you you don't. Like, I love another 13, hands down. My favorite Le Labo fragrance. It's the only one that I have, because the other ones really ain't really tickled my boat like that, you know what I'm saying? But that one had to have it as soon as I smelled the sample. I actually have two from this house. This is the House of Liz, and this is Lucine, and this is Ethereal Wave. So Lucine is more like a floral, but it's like a watery, aquatic type of floral, fresh and watery, you know, like how Delina La Rose is. It gives you all the Delina vibes, but on a more watery, clean, fresh scale. I mean, she's actually in this video too, but yeah, that's what this is. It's just nice soft florals. You know how some florals are watery, like freesia. Freesia might be in here. I could see like maybe some Lily of the Valley probably being in here. I don't know if I'm right, girl, but that's just what I get. Like, I really like freesia as a watery type of flower. It just smells clean. It's a floral. It just smells clean, fresh, perfect for hot weather. And you feel like it's some citruses in there too. It could be bergamot, it could be lemon, but it has a citrusy, floral, watery texture, and I feel like, damn, I'm throwing shit. I just feel really refreshed when I wear this. Same thing with Ethereal Wave. Yeah, this is that clean, fresh out the shower, citrusy a little bit too, and a slight bit of little pepper, a little bit of woodiness or something like that. It's like something in there that gives it a little oomph, but it's still clean, fresh, refreshing, light. Feels like, you know, when you outside in the summer and you got to come home and take a second shower, child, because it's just so hot and sticky and muggy out there. That's what this smells like. It smells not hot, sticky, and muggy. It smells like that second shower, that second refreshing. You know, you about to get out, you turn the water on cold a little bit. You know what I'm saying? That's what this is. So of course, like I said, Delina La Rose, she's going to be in the video because she is the fresh, clean, aquatic, watery, summertime Delina. Some people that didn't even like Delina or Delina exclusive tried this and was like, okay, that's the Delina for me. Because the rose is there, it's definitely there, and we all love rose. Not all of us, but I do. I love rose. But this is more of a more transparent type of rose. The rose ain't punching you in the eye, okay? It's more clean, it's more fresh, it's more watery. You instantly feel cooled down. This is the Delina for the summer. So remember, y'all, we used to have Delina for the spring and summer and Delina exclusive for the fall and winter. But when this came around, child, the original Delina just been kind of in limbo. Like, because I'm still reaching for Delina exclusive in the fall and winter, but spring, summer, I be reaching for her. So especially summer, especially hot summer. So Delina probably get her some shine in the spring. You know what I mean? But this one, hot weather vibes, like, love it. The longevity and performance is still just like the other Delinas, girl, no problem with that, but it's just, you know, that cleaner, fresher one. Rain by Commodity, this is always sold out, and for good reason. If you probably going to look for it now, girl, it's probably gonna be sold out, because this for summer, if you want to smell clean and fresh, girl, and you want to smell like you just stepped out the shower. Like, if it rains in heaven, I don't know if it do, I won't know till I get there, but if it does, this is what the rain in heaven smells like. Like, it's, girl, it's so good. You definitely get that watery nature, that watery texture to it. Like, it smells like the best floral fragrance type of rain that you'll ever smell. Like, it's so good. Yeah, this is definitely what rain smells like in heaven. It sure do. This is that fresh out the shower. This is that clean. Then you got a little citrus in there. Like, you know how these type of scents are. You always gonna get your little citrus, you know, so you have that clean, refreshing feel, but then you have that watery, like, smell good soap type of thing. Like, this smells so good. Love this in hot weather. The performance on this is actually really, really good. Like, I had this on, and I mean, it lasted on me all day. Absolutely, you need the heat for it. But when I wear it to bed, girl, I be smelling it in the morning on me. So love this down. Okay, so our last two are from buy number 9. Okay, buy number 9 always has something for the season now. So we have Scent of Peace for her, and we have Gold Coast. Scent of peace for her is the clean, watery, aquatic, not in an oceanic, salty, marine type of way, just aquatic, watery type of feel for my black currant lovers. If you like black currant but you want it to be juicy but still kind of like watered down fresh for the summer, this is your girl. This is absolutely one of my favorite bonds to wear in the summer. It shines and thrives in the heat. That black currant juiciness. It smells like it has a watery flower in it, maybe freesia, I don't know, but it's something very clean and aquatic, like watery about it, and it just gives you a refreshed feel. You just feel refreshed, but you still get that fruity juiciness that you want, you know, especially for hot days and hot summer. You know, this is your girl. And then if you are a rose lover, then you would love this one. So I always say this smells like Delina La Rose layered with Meliora layered with Eaten Juicy Apple. Like, that's what I get out of this. Now, you know, this gives you a nice watery type of feel because it's got watermelon. Like, I think watermelon is one of the notes, and you know how a watermelon feels like when you bite it, juicy, dripping, just, you know, all over. But you know how watermelon, it tastes like watermelon, but it tastes like fruity water, don't it? Right? Like, so I get that when I wear this. Like, I get all of that, the rose, the fruitiness, the watery drip juiciness, like refreshed but still with that light floral. Love this. This gets slept on a lot, but girl, for the summer, this is a go-to. So those are 10 fragrances in my collection that I definitely go for when it's hot. Sometimes that they don't even get touched unless it's super hot outside. I want to feel refreshed. I want to feel rejuvenated. I want to feel, you know, real clean and fresh all over again. And we had a little something for everybody. Some clean, fresh laundry. We had some fruitiness. We just had some nice, clean florals. Like, got something for everybody in there, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have some nice, clean, refreshing, like as soon as you put it on, girl, your body temperature just cools down. You know what I'm saying? If you have any of those in your collection, let us know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.